The VW T-Roc, of which more than 1 million units have been sold worldwide, has entered the second phase of its life cycle, with enhancements right across the model family. Particular attention has been paid to the model's interior, which benefits from both a redesigned dashboard and the use of even higher-grade materials throughout. The T-Roc is available in 3 specifications: entry-level life, luxury and comfort-focused style, and sportily styled and driver-focused R-Line, as seen on a number of other Volkswagen models. Even the life benefits from LED headlights, an 8.0-inch digital cockpit, wireless app connect through its 8.0-inch ready-to-discover infotainment system, a suite of driver assistance systems including lane assist, adaptive cruise control and front assist, and 16-inch Chester alloy wheels, black roof rails and interior ambient lighting. The T-Roc style, starting at $27,635 RRPOTR, majors on comfort and technology, bolstering the T-Roc Life's equipment package with the larger Digital Cockpit Pro, Discover Media Navigation Infotainment System, sports comfort seats finished in art velours microfleece, privacy glass from the B-pillar backwards, and LED plus headlights with different light modes for poor weather. From the outside, a bespoke rear bumper and 17-inch Johannesburg alloy wheels mark out the style from the rest of the new T-Roc range. The style is predicted to be the top-selling trim in the model range, with more than 1 in 3 T-Roc customers expected to opt for this model. With R-Line specific body styling, 17-inch Valencia alloy wheels, sports suspension, silver roof rails and an interior featuring sportier elements such as a black roof lining and R-Line badging, and gloss black design trim in the dashboard, the T-Roc R-Line lives up to its billing as a sportier alternative to the Life and Style versions. Over the equipment of the Life specification, the T-Roc R-Line also gains features such as progressive steering for additional driver focus, selectable driving modes which can alter the car's character to suit the driver's mood, stainless steel pedals, and other interior enhancements contributing to a sporty ambience. The new T-Roc R-Line starts at $30,435 RRPOTR. 9 engine and gearbox options are available across the standard T-Roc range, with both 3 and 4-cylinder units, petrol and diesel options, 6-speed manual and 7-speed DSG variants, and power ranging from frugal 110 PS units, to a highly capable 190 PS DSi. The extra ability of Volkswagen's acclaimed 4-motion all-wheel drive system is available on the highest powered models, the 150 PS DDi, and 190 PS DSi. Technical and pricing data for the full range of T-Roc engines is available below. The diesel engines bring twin dosing technology, with dual-injected AdBlue, while the 1.5-liter petrol engines feature cylinder deactivation technology, to boost fuel efficiency and reduce CO2 output by allowing the car to run on only 2 cylinders.